What's up? It's Friday. It's around noon. Just finishing up work for the day. Gonna go drop some recycling off at our buddy's apartment, and then gonna Sonny's dropping our car off to have the oil change, and then we're gonna run to my parents' house to drop off some stuff of theirs that we have here and pick up my snow tires for my car. And then we'll just head back into town. I think we'll probably go grocery shopping too. So that's the plan so far. We'll see what else we end up doing. All right, well, that is going to be it for the night. I did go and get my snow tires from my parents' house, and they're in the garage now. I just need to schedule an appointment to have them installed. That was all we did. And that's going to be it for the night. So I'm going to call it a night, and I will see you tomorrow.